Good morning, children, and it's Friday. Well done, you've worked really hard, and we've learnt two teen numbers, and today we're going to learn the third teen number this week. So we've looked at 13 and 14 this week. So 13, we would write it a 1 and a 3, and 14, we would write it a 1 and a 4. And yesterday, we were looking at the number 13 and the number 14, and we were finding out which one was an odd number and which one was an even number. So we forgot 13 and 14. Which would be my odd number? Well done, it would be 13. Now, which would be the even number then out of 13 and 14? Well done, it would be 14. Fantastic. And remember that an even number can be divided into two equal groups. And an odd number can't be divided into two equal groups like we did yesterday, didn't we? So well done for doing that. Today, hopefully, you've already watched the number 15 number block episode. If you haven't, you might want to watch it after my video or pause me now and you can go and watch that video first. So today, what I want you to do is I want you to collect 15 objects. So I've got my Duplo blocks here and let's see if I've got 15 blocks. Can you help me count them? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've got 15 blocks. Now, we're going to find out if 15 is an odd number or 15 is an equal number. So, to find out that, we need to divide it into two equal groups. So, as you can see on my board, I've got two people. Okay, I've got two people and I've got today's number 15. Okay, now what we're going to try and do is we're going to divide 15 into two equal groups. So these two have just gone to a birthday party and they have got a party bag. Now we've got 15 sweets to share between these two. Should we see if we can do it? Ready? So one for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we need to see if they've got the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this little girl's got 8. This little boy's got 7. Have we divided 15 equally? We haven't, have we? So 15 is an odd number, just like 13, because it can't be divided into two equal groups. Now, I wonder though, if I add another person to our party, shall we see if we can share 15 between 3 people? Now, we know that 3 is an odd number too, isn't it? But if we know 15 is an odd number, do you think you can share an odd number between an odd number? Should we find out? So we've got 1 person, 2 person. Let's draw another person. Okay, let's have another little girl this time. Now these have also gone to the party today and they've got their party bags. Can we share 15 between 3 people? Can we share an odd number, which is 3, between an odd number? Let's have a go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see if they've got the same amount in their bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of our bags have got 5 sweets in. So you can share an odd number between an odd number. Okay, let's see if we can share an odd number between a bigger even. So we couldn't share between 2. Can we share 15 between 4 people? Okay, so let's have a girl. Let's have 2 girls and 2 boys for this one. Make sure they're nice and happy because they've just been to a birthday party. And another boy down here. So let's give them their party bags. Okay, and we're going to share 15 between 4 people. Now, do you think we will be able to share 15 between 4? Should we find out? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now these people have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this little boy's only got 3. So can we share 15 between 4 people? No, we can't, can we? Okay, I'm going to set you a few challenges now. So hopefully you can do this on your own. Get your 15, and you might want to do it with your adult at home, or if you've got some cuddly toys or some toys, you might like to give them 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and see how many different ways you can share. Can you share 15 between 7? Can you share 15 between 14 people? Okay, have a look and find out. Do lots of sharing and see if 15 can be shared. If it can't be shared, it definitely tells us it's an odd number. Okay, I'm going to set you a few extra challenges. So I'm going to write the number 50. Okay, now I want you to find out how many, so let's write that, how many 3s are in 15. How many 3s are in 15? Now, what would I do? So what you do here, to find this out, you would break up your tower or your objects. So you'd put them in groups of 3. So let's break off. We've got 3 there, and another 3, and another 3, and another 3. So if I hold them all up, if I can, we've got quite a few. I've broken my 15 into little groups of 3. And then I need to find out how many groups of 3 are in 15. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that 15 is made up of 5 lots of 3. My next challenge is I'd like you to find out. So make your 15 again if you've made a tower or if you've got 15 objects. And this time I want you to see how many 5s... Oh dear, made me jump. How many 5s are in the number 15? So how many 5s are in our 15? See if you can work that one out. And then an extra challenge is I'd like you to use your 100 square. So back to your 100 square. And I'd like you to find the number 15. Okay, so we should really know where the 15 is because we know that 15 is 1 more than 14. So my 15 is here, so we're going to give it a circle. And today I want you to practice counting up in 5s to 15. So when we count up in 5s, we need to start with the number 5. So 5. And then you're going to count another 5. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to count another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we count up in 5s, we only say the numbers with circles. So we'd go 5, 10, 15. What would come next in the 5 times table if we add another 5? Let's count along, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we say 5, 10, 15, 20. What would come after 20? Let's count. What? 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it makes the number 25. So when you count up in 5s, you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And I'm going to stop there because I want you to do this bit on your own. Now, there is a link on your plan to watch the 5 times table song. So once you've done all of this working out and you've answered my question of how many 3s and how many 5s are in 15, then you might want to challenge yourself to see if you can count up in 5 using your 100 square and listen to the 5 times table song. So a lot to do today in maths. Do as much as you can, okay? You might just want to find out the sharing out. Is it even? Is it odd? How many different ways can you share it, okay? And then you might want to do some of my challenges too. Can't wait to see what you get up to. Have a lovely weekend and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.